Hello everyone, I am Nitin Sharma and I am from a very small village and I have a dream, and the dream is that getting a IR1 in the SSC CGL exam. I hope, I believe, and also universe will help me to get my goal, to get my desire. And also I learn something like hard work, discipline, consistency, dedication, patience, deep work, energy management, and always think positive. And there are a lot of things I understand. But getting a IR1, 20% is your mindset and 80% is your syllabus, revision, practice, and mock test. 20% is your mindset and 80% is your syllabus, revision, practice, and mock test. And my friend, also, if you have a very good preparation, you have a good command over syllabus, you have a good command over revision, if you have a good command over practice, if you have a good command over mock test, but your mindset is not like that, you will say yourself, I am fully prepared, but when I will go in the exam hall, then I will be panicked and I will become completely awkward. So your, it's not your preparation problem, it's your mindset problem. So my friend, you will have to develop both. First is your exam and second is your mindset. So one by one I will talking about. So first of all, I am going to talk about mathematics. My friend, mathematics, it does not matter how many times you watch video, it does not matter how many times you do concept. The most important and the most important thing is practice, 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 and practice. The more you will do practice, the more you get fluency, the more you get accuracy, the more you get speed, and the more you get confidence, and the more you get energy, and the more you get neural pathway in your brain. Only practice. But before doing practice, you will have to be fully prepared from your concept, from your classes, from your revision. Then you can jump into practice. Okay. So first of all, clear your difference, clear your path, and then run like that. There is a road where everywhere is stone and what I will tell, stones and kata. Okay, but in the first time you will have to clean all the things, all the steps, and when you will go in the next time, you can run very speedily. So first of all, if you are preparing for the SSC CGL exam, clear your all this stuff, and next time when you will come, then you can use your full potential. So I, first I talked about mathematics. Also I want to give the complete information about mathematics. So my friend, I am going to talk about syllabus. What is the syllabus of mathematics? First of all, I am going to talk about geometry. Okay, so my friend, if I will talk about geometry, then first is line and angle, second is types of triangle, third is area side properties, And fourth is similarity of triangle, fifth is congruency of triangles, sixth is centers of triangles, seventh is circumcenter and orthocenter, and eighth is centroid, ninth is equilateral triangle, tenth is right angle triangle, 11 is square and rectangle, 12 is parallelogram, rhombus and trapezium, and 13th is circle, and 14th is coordinate geometry. And this is geometry part. Maturation, 2D, two-dimensional maturation, polygon, three-dimensional maturation, number system, divisibility rules, remainder theorem, number of factors, sequence and series, LCM and SCF, simplification. Then search and indexes, algebra, theory of equations, maximum and minimum value in algebra, trigonometry, maxima and minima, and height and distance. So this is the part of arithmetic. This is the part of advanced and arithmetic में percentage, discount, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, ratio and proportion, mixture and allegation, partnership, average, time and work, pipe and system, time, speed and distance, train, boat and stream, race, then आपका permutation and combination, probability and statistics. This is the part of your math, and the more you practice, the more you get confidence. Okay, so मैंने आपको मैथ के बारे में बिल्कुल ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से बात किया. Now I will talk about GK and GS. So in GK and GS, first of all, geography. First topic is solar system. Second topic is longitude and latitude. Third topic is earth interior and plate tectonics. Fourth topic is rocks, continent and oceans. Five topic is geomorphology and landforms. Sixth topic is atmosphere. Seventh topic is wind, ocean, current and cyclone. Eight is India and its location. Ninth is Himalaya. Tenth is Peninsular Plateau. 11th is Northern Plain and Island. 12th is Himalayan river system, and 12th 13th is peninsular rivers. 14th is dams, lakes and waterfall. 15th is monsoon. 16th is forest and grassland. 17th is soil and agriculture. 18th is minerals. 19th is world map. 20 is world national parks, and 21 is transport. So this is the part of geography. And ancient history, Stone Age, Indus Valley Civilization, Vedic Age, Jainism and Buddhism, Mahajanpad, Maurya Dynasty, Post-Maurya Dynasty, Gupta Dynasty, Post-Gupta Dynasty, Sangam Age and Tripartite struggle and Cholas. And if I will talk about medieval history, then Delhi Sultanate, Vijayanagar and Bahmani Kingdom, Mughal Empire, Maratha, Bhakti and Sufi movement. And in the modern history, advent of Europeans, socio-religious reform, revolt of 1857, Indian National Congress, Bengal partition, Gandhian era, civil disobedience movement and Simon Commission, Quit India movement, Governor General and Viceroy. And if I will talk about polity, then making of constitution, slide feature of the constitution, preamble, part 1 and part 2 of the constitution, fundamental rights, DPSP and fundamental duties, president and vice president of India, prime minister and council of India, prime minister and council of ministers, parliament, state legislature, emergency and constitutional amendment, supreme court and high court, local government, constitutional and non-constitutional bodies, important act and sources of the Indian constitution. And if I will talk about economies, then basic of economy, demand and supply, national income, inflation and unemployment, budget and taxation, monetary policy, money and banking, balance of payment and poverty, 5-year plan and industrial policy resolution. And if I will talk about physics, then motion, force and laws of motion, gravitation and work done, sound, reflection and refraction, human eye and vision, electricity, then magnetic effect of electric current. And if I will talk about chemistry, then matter, atom and its structure, periodic table, chemical reaction, metal and non-metals, acid, base and salt, then carbon and its compound. Okay, अब बायोलॉजी के बारे में बात करते हैं. देन फर्स्ट इज सेल, देन प्लांट टिश्यू एंड एनिमल टिश्यू, then plant and animal kingdom, then nervous system, then hormones and plant movements, then reproduction, then digestion and respiration, then circulatory system and excretory system, then disease, then nutrients, then hereditary and evolution, then environment. So environment में basic of environmental science, ecosystem, trophic dynamics and energy transform, bio biogeochemical cycles, then environmental convention, and in the strategic classical dance, folk dance of India, census, musical instrument, gharanas, important days, books and others, sport, international organization, national organization, festivals of India, government schemes, and award and honors. And also I am going to talk about reasoning. सो माय फ्रेंड, अब मैं इंग्लिश के बारे में बात करता हूँ. तो इंग्लिश में सबसे पहले ग्रामर, देन वोकेबलरी, देन रीडिंग. तो ग्रामर में सबसे पहले आता है आपका प्रोनाउन, फिर आता है डिटर्मिनर, फिर आता है आपका आर्टिकल, फिर आता है एडजेक्टिव, फिर आता है टाइम एंड टेंस, फिर आता है आपका इंटेंशन ऑफ स्पीकर, देन आता है आपका मॉडल्स, देन आता है कंडीशनल्स, देन आता है वॉइस, देन आता है वॉइस एडवांस, देन आता है नरेशन, देन नरेशन एडवांस, उसके बाद आता है वर्ब, फिर आता है मूड वर्ब, देन आता है वर्ब एडवांस, फिर आता है आपका एडवर्ब, फिर आता है प्रीपोजिशन, फिर आता है कंजक्शन, फिर आता है इन्वर्जन, फिर आता है स्लैंग एंड सुपरफ्लुअस एक्सप्रेशन, फिर आता है आपका नाउन, और यहाँ पर प्रीपोजिशन भी आता है. ये हो गया आपका ग्रामर का पार्ट. फिर वोकेबलरी का पार्ट होता है आपका OWS, इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस, सिनोनियम्स, एंटोनियम्स. उसके बाद आपका हो गया फ्रेजल वर्ब्स और स्पेलिंग्स एंड होमोनियम्स. ये हो गया आपका वोकेबलरी का पार्ट. रीडिंग में हो गया पैराजम्पल, क्लोज टेस्ट, पेसेस. ये आपका हो गया रीडिंग का पार्ट. कंप्रेंशन में आपको एडिटोरियल वगैरह पढ़ना है, काफ़ी है. और इफ़ आई विल टॉक अबाउट रीजनिंग, तो रीजनिंग में सबसे पहले हो गया आपका एनालॉजी, एनालॉजी नॉन वर्बल, ऑड आउट नॉन वर्बल, ठीक है. फिर आता है सीरीज, ब्लड रिलेशन, और आपका हो गया मिक्सिंग नंबर्स, डाइस एंड डाइस हो गया, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, डायरेक्शन, क्लॉक, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, and figure series, puzzles, mathematical operation, and ऐसे ऐसे करके बहुत सारा टॉपिक आपका आता है, लगभग 30 टॉपिक. तो if you want to get AIR1 in the SSC serial exam, then you will have to visualize that you are getting AIR1 in the SSC serial exam. Okay, you can visualize that you are performing good in the percentage section, in the Indus Valley civilization section, in the important dates section. If you will visualize, my friend, then this will completely transform yourself. If you, before sleeping, Go in any peaceful place, close your eyes, be in a very situation, and visualize mathematics, GKGS, reasoning, and English. This is the only way to make it will make yourself motivated, disciplined, consistency. It will give you everything. So first of all, go any peaceful place and practice this stuff. You will completely transform, and you will say thank you. It does not matter you are preparing for the SSC CGL exam, you are preparing for the banking exam, you are preparing for the UPSC exam, you are at Blaze, you are at town, you are at any place, my friend. If you will practice, then you will get result. Okay. So I will tell thank you, and thank you. So this video title will be how to get a IR1 in the SSC CGL exam on the first attempt. How to get a IR1 in the SSC CGL exam on the first attempt. I talked about syllabus, revision, practice, mock test, visualization, everything. So this video will be uploaded in the Nitin Sharma channel. Okay, and the Nitin Sharma channel, where I will create long videos, and every videos which I will upload in the Nitin Sharma channel, the channel, the video will be the video will be in good quality. And also my friend, I am going to write a script. My friend, I want to create a content. Slowly I will improve. I know myself that I will improve slowly and slowly. But one thing you will have to obey, that I am looking handsome, because I am looking handsome here. And visualize, if I will crack SSC CGL exam, at the air is touching my face, and I think one day it will be true. And after getting a IR1, I will come here in the video and I will watch. That time my confidence level will be in the next level. That Nitin, you can do what you tell yourself. Okay. go and achieve rank 1 in the SSC Chisel exam on the first attempt. You can do. Thank you.